In the name of Allah, the most gracious and merciful. The 2022 floods in District Sangar, Sindh, Pakistan, caused widespread devastation, and people are still struggling to recover. The aftermath has been marked by inflation, unemployment, and poverty, leaving many helpless. With the support of donors, efforts are underway to rebuild homes for those affected by the floods. We appeal to you to contribute to this noble cause through your zakat, sadaqah, and donations. Let's help these vulnerable individuals, including orphans, widows, and disabled people, who are eagerly waiting for assistance to rebuild their homes. Our team is working tirelessly to serve humanity, transcending religious, sectarian, and linguistic differences. Your donation will be delivered to the deserving individuals, and we will share complete documentation, bills, videos, and pictures with the donors. The cost of building a complete house, including a room, kitchen, washroom, plaster, solid roof, and solar system, is $1,280. Without a kitchen, the cost is $1,000.